In this video, we're going to review how to do simple color correction for your Insta360 images and videos within the Insta360 platform. To get started, locate the INSP or INSV files within the left-hand footage panel that you want to color correct. Keep in mind, this process will not work for any other file types. Once selected and open, drag your cursor to the right-hand panel and select the media processing icon. From there, you'll have three options. You can toggle on Color Plus, which will allow you to enhance the saturation and vibrance of the color within your image or video. You can select Clarity Plus, which will bring out and modify the details of the content within your image or video. Or you can select the Adjust button down below, and this will allow you to make manual changes to the exposure within your content. If you are unfamiliar with simple color correction, your best bet is going to be to toggle on the Color Plus option. If you wish to make these changes for all other INSP and INSV files that you have already imported into the Studio application, drag your cursor to the bottom left of the right-hand panel and select Batch Settings. In this window, you'll be able to toggle on if you want to copy the Color Plus options, the Clarity Plus options, or your manual exposure adjustments. And then from there, you'll click Next on the bottom right. You'll be able to select whichever files you want to copy those settings over to, and then you'll be able to select Apply in Batches button on the bottom right there. From there, Insta360 Studio will automatically apply all of these color correct settings to those additional files. If you want to make manual changes to those files, you'll once again just select the INSV or INSP file type, open up the media processor on the right-hand side, and make modifications for that individual unique file. Be sure to check out more of our Insta360 Studio tutorials or reach out to the Faculty Multimedia Center for more assistance.